Greetings and welcome to Cookin' with Squirrel. So what am I going to do here on this channel? I do a few things. I do original recipes that I've developed. I do what I call cause videos. These cause videos are where I bring in a worthy cause. It could be the actual cause or someone who wants to talk about a cause. The first one I did was a Farm Less Ordinary, and they are local to me, and they are a farm who employs persons with disabilities. And they're just a fantastic, fantastic cause. So I fed them a 5-course meal and I interviewed them through that process. That video is up on the channel. I'll link it. The reason I am doing that is because the two things that make me the happiest in life are helping people and cooking for people. So I just wanted to find a way to combine those two things into one thing. And the cause videos are that. Those are a much bigger production. I don't get as many of them out. Got a guy that comes in and does the big fancy cameras and the lights and the audio for me while I do all the cooking and the interviewing. So there are not as many of those, but we are trying to get some more up and out the door here. So the reason I decided to start this channel was specifically to do the cause videos. The inspiration for those came from the Being with Babish series. Andrew Ray of Binging with Babish also has a series called Being with Babish, where he was trying to give back to some of his viewers. I was sitting in the hospital with my wife who had just had a knee surgery, and I was watching this video and it literally brought me to tears. And I was like, I want to do something like that, something with food and helping people. And so he really inspired me to start this channel, and now here we are. A group of squirrels is a scurry of squirrels. If you are interested by anything that I've said here today, please join the scurry, subscribe. Do me a favor, try to take any goodness in your life and pay it forward. Try to make the world just a little bit better place today. And thanks for stopping by.